Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to finally be back in my groove. Today we are going to make the Barbie mocktail. There's tons of Barbie recipes going on right now and I have tons for you, but today we're going to do the mocktail, so let's get to it. First, we're going to start with the base of our tea. As always, I always start with the base with just a little bit of warm water. Don't make it too hot or your ice is going to melt too fast. So you're going to do some warm water and your cherry lime. Now this is the Herbalife beverage enhancer flavor. So I know a lot of people like to use the sugar-free flavors in the stores. They do have a few brands that have the cherry lime, but my favorite cherry lime is the Herbalife brand. If you want the Herbalife flavors, you can go ahead and reach out to your coach. If you are not a coach, because members, they don't get access to all the flavors, or if you want to become a member, let me know. I can help you out with getting discounts on the products as well as reward program. So you just saw me add in the orange liftoff. These are the new one, the sticks instead of the tablets. And then we have our raspberry tea. So far I have the Herbalife cherry lime beverage enhancer, and then I have the orange liftoff, and then I have one serving of the raspberry tea. Again, if you need these products, just reach out to me or just click the link in the description to this video to my link tree, and you can fill out the form about getting these products in your home so you can save money. And then we have our watermelon. Again, this is the Herbalife beverage enhancer. It's the watermelon flavor. And you see me adding the small side of my Herbalife spoon, which is a half a teaspoon. And then I am going to go ahead and move on with my favorite little item of this recipe, which is my cocktail glitter. I do order this from Amazon. I have it linked below in my link tree. I have an Amazon storefront. Everything I use in my videos is linked in that storefront to help you guys out. So if you just click that one link, click Amazon must-haves, you'll see everything, as well as this frother. I have the frother in there. One of my subscribers sent me my very first frother and she changed my life. So now I tell everybody about the frothers. So we're just going to go ahead and move that to the side because we're going to work on one of the ingredients to this recipe, which is going to be a marvelous dragon fruit. Now, I love dragon fruit. A lot of people don't like it because it doesn't have flavor or whatever, but it helps a lot with this recipe because of the vibrant color. But, I mean, who doesn't love fruit? So it has benefits in it as well. But this is how I like to cut the dragon fruit. A lot of people have problems with dragon fruit. I just like to slice it into these circles and then just peel off the outer of it, the skin, just like that, and put it to the side. And then if I'm just eating it, I'll just bite into that. Or we're gonna use dragon fruit pulp, so you're gonna see me cut them into little squares. Of course, you can definitely make this recipe 100 times easier by going and buying a bag of dragon fruit pulp. It is kind of more expensive. If you don't want to go through all this, you can get the bag of pulp. But I just love fruit, so I had a whole dragon fruit and I'm just going to use some of it for the recipe, and then I'm just going to eat the rest of it when I'm done making this recipe video. So now that I have my dragon fruit all done and prepped, I'm going to put it to the side and pour my base directly into the cup that we're going to use. Now, this recipe is really good for 36 ounces, but this is definitely a 16-ounce cup, not 36 ounces. I am so sorry. I'm a little rusty, okay? It's been a while. 32 ounces. So this recipe is ideal for 32 ounces, but if you like it, flavory, 16 ounces isn't bad. So I'm going to go ahead and move on with my recipe, and we're going to get some cranberry aloe. For this specific recipe, I'm going to put a tablespoon, which is 3 capfuls. But if you're like me and you love aloe, I always add a little extra, and I'm going to drink this tea, so I added a little extra. And then I have my margarita beverage enhancer from Herbalife, and I used the half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add a little bit more of my cocktail glitter into that. Now, it's not going to create like a huge layer. You're not going to see me add a whole bunch of water. I'm going to go ahead and mix it with my beautiful frother. Though, if you want yours, click the link in the description. Y'all gonna be sick of me. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pour that. I mean, you can definitely just mix that with your bottom layer, but if you've been following me, you already know I'm extra, so that's what I did. And then I added some water to the top. And now we're going to go ahead and get a lemon juicer, a handheld lemon juicer. You're not going to want to use a juicer for dragon fruit. So I'm using a handheld juicer, and I'm just making my own pulp. So as you can see, I'm getting the pink juices out, as well as squishing it and making it a nice little pulp on the top that your customer or you can either just eat or mix it directly into your cup. And then you're just going to add a little bit more water on top to fill your cup. And then you just see me wipe the counter because I'm OCD. But anyways, I love creating these crazy recipes. I know it's bougie and it's a little much, but it's a Barbie mocktail and it's Barbie week and it's Barbie premiere day. So it was just perfect. And I just love the pink and I love the glitter. And I just want to show you all the cute little stirring. Look at the glitter once you stir it all together. It's marvelous, y'all. Now, I do have my community on Facebook where I like to share tons of recipes in there. I mean, I can't put everything on YouTube, so I have tons of recipes in that community. There is a membership fee, but if you want the info on that, just go ahead and click my link tree in the description to this video. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe, and I hope you guys love it and share it. And I will see you guys on the next video.